Hi, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the one more master class of Kamakshi College. I am Chef Manjunath Naik. I am a professor of Chef Kamakshi College. Okay. Today we are going to do a vegan strudel. Okay, basically everybody must be not knowing what is vegan. It's a new concept and it's a new trend. The people are moving ahead to the vegan. Okay, basically vegan is a dish where we don't use animal products. Animal products means, for example, butter, milk, cream, any sort of animals where we don't use. Okay, so the strudels, it's made up of the phyllo dough. Okay, the phyllo dough is basically of flour and water and little bit of oil into it. Okay, so let's start. And let me introduce with my ingredients first. Okay. So I have mushrooms. These are button mushrooms. Basically, you will get shocked to know that this is not fruit and not a vegetable also. Okay. And next we go with spinach. Okay. So these are the spinach, green leafy vegetables. Okay. I have done chiffonade, and chiffonade is a cut of vegetables what we use in French cuisine. Next is tofu. It's a vegan tofu. Okay, it's a soya protein, soya milk. Okay, basically how we make the tofu is we boil the beans, white beans, and we soak it in the water, and we boil it, and we press, and whatever the milk comes from this, we make a solid form of it. Okay, it's a on ship and all we use tofu as a substitute of the paneer. Okay. Normally tofu we normally use in oriental cooking and all. Next we go with garlic. Everybody knows the chopped garlic, finely chopped. Chopped shallots. Okay. In Indian kitchen we normally use red onions, but we use shallots. It's a family of onions. We have parsley, chopped parsley, and freshly chopped thyme. For my plate presentation, I have some dressings for you. Okay, this is roasted green pepper and roasted red pepper, and this is reduction of balsamic. So how to make the roasted red pepper fully? Okay. So we have to take red peppers, we cut in half, okay, we marinate with salt, pepper, and put some rosemary, garlic, and we roast it. Okay. After roasting, we take out the skin and we blend in the blender. Okay. Same with the green pepper also. Okay. And I have some olive oil. Okay. So let's start with the strudel. Okay. So first of all, I'll take the pan with some olive oil. We are very short of time, so I am sauteing both mushroom and spinach one time. So on shift and all, when the restaurant is very busy, so we use 4-5 pans at a time. You know, it's like a magic we do in the kitchen. So we'll saute mushroom. Okay, first I will put the garlic. Then we put the onions, shallots. And in continental kitchen, we never burn the garlic. Okay, we just saute, just translucent, like we just sweat the garlic. Okay. So we will put spinach in one pan. And mushroom in other pan. Meanwhile, it's getting cooked. So this tofu, what I did, I marinated overnight. with olive oil, salt, and little bit of Cajun spice. Cajun spice will be roasted garlic and all peppers and all. Okay, so I have marinated. You can see it's all little red in color. That's why it's marinated overnight. Okay, I'll put some seasoning. So in continental we say seasoning means only salt and pepper. Okay. Instead of olive oil also, vegan, you can use vegan butter also. We in markets and all we available vegan butter. It's a substitute of the butter. Okay. It's almost there. So in ships and all we use lot of wine while cooking, especially in mushroom and all. Okay, but it's a vegan dish, so I'm just avoiding the white wine. So it's almost done. Nice aroma. The flavor out. I'll switch on the gas. Okay. Let it cool down. Okay. So I will start with the phyllo dough. So phyllo dough, you can see it's very thin, very thin like a paper. Okay, because there is no fat at all. It's only the vegetable oil, a bit of vegetable oil, and it's only flour and water. Okay. So we take phyllo dough one sheet at a time. Okay. And we take, instead of butter, we take olive oil to brush the phyllo dough. So why we do brushing of phyllo dough? To make it moist. So if we don't put any fat, any vegan butter on phyllo dough, it will get dry. Okay. So I will brush the phyllo dough one by one. So I'll take one more layer of phyllo dough. So normally we take 2 to 3, 4, depend how big you want and how much it's a main course, appetizer, what you are serving for. Okay, if it's main course, then the size should be big. Okay, so I'll take one more layer of phyllo dough. See, it's getting tear because it's very soft. So it's a very delicate dish. You can say it looks very simple, very simple, but it's very tricky also. You must be wondering why I went for vegan dish. So now a trend, people are coming back to the old decades, where we used to eat only vegetables, no meat at all. So now the people, after this corona pandemic and all, so people realize what is good, what is bad for us. So it's a good, and to be frank, who I follow much, US chef Gordon Ramsay, you must be knowing him very well. He's a celebrity chef. So he is also a vegan chef now. Vegan, he is no more a meat eater. He is a vegan. Okay. So let's do the layering of the strudel. So this is the tofu, marinated tofu. I'll put one by one. So you can arrange anyhow, however you like. Okay, you can chop nicely, very fine chop. Yeah, you can mash it up also. It's depend on you how you want. So I like to have a nice steak of tofu. Okay, next I will go with. I will not go mushroom on tofu. Why? The color contrast, because this is green, this is little bit white and reddish, and mushroom is pale in color. So I'm going with spinach first. Okay, done with spinach. Now I'll put some mushroom on top. So now I need to roll it nicely. If you want to do a vegetarian strudel, you can use your puff pastry also instead of phyllo dough. Phyllo dough is very delicate and we need to handle very nicely and very slowly. Okay. So if you are making a vegetable strudels, you can use puff pastry instead of phyllo dough. But the phyllo dough, the crispiness you will never get through puff pastry. Okay. So let me brush before putting inside the oven. Let me brush with the olive oil. Okay. This is a vegetable strudel, vegan strudel, wrapped nicely. Okay. So this will go in the oven and it takes around 25 to 30 minutes roasting in the oven. Okay, around to 30 degrees Celsius. So we don't have enough time to wait for a half an hour and all. So what I'll do, I have made already for you guys to just show how it looks when after baking. So this is the vegetable strudel. You can see nicely crispy, nice golden brown. Okay. So I will just transfer this on the chopping board. Before that, I will just brush one more time with the olive oil to give a nice shining color, glaze. You can say. Okay, you can see that how the phyllo dough look like. It's very crispy and getting crumpled very fast. Okay, so and you can cut anyhow. Okay, you can cut like a strip. Okay, you can cut the diagonal shape. Okay. So I'm cutting in diagonal. You can see the layers. Tofu, white, green. I have made one more tofu and mushrooms inside. You can see the layer, right? And it's very tempting. And you can see the phyllo dough also. It's very nice, nicely done. Okay. So we'll start with plate presentation. Okay. Plate presentation. So at home, when we cook, we just put everything in a curry, rice, everything in a plate, and we serve it. But when the customer comes in a restaurant and you get the same plate like how you serve in the home, you'll get upset, right? So you must be saying, okay, I'm paying 100 rupees at 1000 rupees for this dish and I'm getting this. So plate presentation, whenever you're doing, you should have a nice plate and you should have a nice vision how you're going to plate. Okay? So without a nice vision of the plate, like you cannot do a nice presentation, and you need some condiments which can go compliments on the strudel. Okay, so this is roasted red pepper pulli. This is green. With the help of spoon, I'll just make some space for me. You can go anywhere, like you can go wild with the presentation. It's not necessary I need to make like this only, like that only. So there are a lot of big chefs, corporate chefs who works on presentation. Okay. So I will put some balsamic with me. This is a balsamic vinegar. Okay, pure balsamic vinegar. Okay, we reduce it by with cooking, and we put some brown sugar. So we don't add red wine into it because it's a vegan dish. So it's very thick. You can drizzle on the strudel also. Okay. Last you can firstly chop parsley, and before serving just wipe your plates nicely. Here you go. It's vegan mushroom tofu spinach strudel served with pepper koli. Okay. So you can see the presentation, and you can see the layers and layers, different layers of vegetables. Okay. Okay guys, this is a typical vegan strudel. Okay. If you have any questions, please drop into the comment box. And if you want any other recipe besides the strudel, so you want any recipes besides strudel through Kamakshi College, we are always open. You can drop your suggestions into your comment box. Okay. Thank you very much.